Hi YouTube, I'm back with my bare skin again, trying to show you my Dermapen spot removal reviews, which I did last week. And I know that I say that I will be back after 3 days, but you know, I'm waiting my scalp to be falling off, and last night finally my scalp is falling off my skin. And then basically my skin right now is looking like this. They are like normal scar. I don't know, maybe I got like pimple scar back then, so this is like pretty deep right here. Can you see, guys? Like pretty deep. And I just hoping that after this it will just like fade into my natural skin. And this as well, this is pretty, I don't know, like I don't know, scar, still scar actually, but it just wait to like blending into your natural skin. And basically these Dermapens are like a little laser. They're working the same way, like burn your outer skin and then like regrowing your new skin. And my other spot, instead of these two, I actually got like one here. I don't see it all. I mean, like they're not making a scalp. It's not scalpy, so it's not noticeable in here as well. It's completely disappeared. I don't see any spot in here, so which is good. So when you try to do this kind of Dermapen spot removal, if you remove something like this, like very tiny one, it won't scar. I mean, like it won't cause any scar or scalping like that. And then when you have a bigger one, like what I had, so this is what I have. Maybe it is how it worked. And anyway, this is my skin review right now. So far they're fine for me, but I just don't trust when the results are like this. So I think together we will see like how it is really, like the futures my skin are gonna be like blend into my natural color or so. If you have any question, please comment down below regarding this kind of Dermapen spot removal. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.